This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the exact evidence the developer needs. This speeds verification. Locate which platform signed the account in settings or on your store purchase history. Once found, gather receipts, order ID, device information, and any linked email addresses so you can prove ownership. Make clear screenshots of your player ID, current level, prominent cookies, and recent transaction dates. This first step avoids delays because support relies on concrete identifiers. Now open the in-game help and support or the official recovery form. Using the game's channel ensures faster processing. Write a concise message. State your player ID, platform, linked emails, and attach receipts and screenshots. Explain the timeline, when you lost access and any error messages, so they can trace logs. Once done, request the specific outcome you want, like full restoration or transfer to a new device. Make sure to keep records of your ticket number and follow updates. You finish by responding to any verification steps quickly. Support often asks for additional images or device verification to confirm identity. After they confirm, follow instructions to restore or link the account to a persistent platform like Google or Apple so this won't repeat. If you do not get a reply within about 72 hours, escalate politely with your ticket number and all previously submitted evidence. One troubleshooting tip: if restoration fails, request a supervisor review and resend clear ownership proof.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.